Determiners. Determiners are words that are used before a noun to determine or indicate whether something specific or particular is being referred to. Specifically কিছু বোঝানোর জন্য ডিটারমাইনারকে নাউনের আগে ব্যবহার করা হয়। যেরকম দেখো বোল্ডে লেখা আছে দিস কিটেন্স, মাই ফ্রেন্ড। কিটেন্স, ফ্রেন্ড, বুক, ম্যান এগুলো প্রত্যেকটাই নাউন। তার আগে ডিটারমাইনার্স ইউজ করা হয়েছে, ব্যবহার করা হয়েছে এবং সেখান থেকে আমরা কিছু জানতে পাচ্ছি। যেরকম দিস বলতে প্লুরাল এবং দিস হচ্ছে ডেমনস্ট্রেটিভ ডিটারমাইনার, মাই হচ্ছে পজেসিভ ডিটারমাইনার, এনি কোয়ান্টিফায়ার, a man means single, a is an article. সো এইভাবে ডিটারমাইনার নাউনের আগে ব্যবহার করা হয় স্পেসিফিক্যালি কিছু বোঝাতে। এবার দেখা যাক টাইপস অফ ডিটারমাইনার্স। There are 6 types: demonstrative, possessive, quantifiers, distributors, interrogatives and articles. First we will read about articles. A and the. A and an indefinite and the is used to mean specifically something. So the is called the definite article and a and an are called indefinite. Like our river, our book, our joke, they are used before some countable nouns, singular countable nouns. A is also used to show a kind, a class or species. A deer means it refers to the full deer category. Sometimes a is used to show rank, profession or community, like a nurse, a teacher, a Christian. So here these are examples of articles. Next page. Article an is used before singular countable nouns like an umbrella, an egg. You know, when there is the use of vowel sound, we use an. But there are some exceptions also, like a European lady, a 1 rupee note, because the sound is not vowel here. So this exceptions you have to memorize, that where a is used and where an is used. Similarly, an MP, because M is pronounced as EMM, the sound is EMM. So before MP, MLA, MA, we use an. But when it comes to union, university, 1 rupee, European lady, we use an. We use a. A European lady, a 1 rupee note, a university, a union. An hour, an honorable man, an heir, an heiress, an honorary member, an honest girl. An is used because here H is silent and the pronunciation is like o, our, o, the pronunciation sound is o, honorable, our, ow, a, o, this kind of vowel sound is there. So an is used. Next, use of article. When we refer to a particular thing, I saw the house which you had described, particularly that house which you described. So here is the use of the definite article the. I saw the lady who is your neighbor. Which lady? Particularly that lady who is your neighbor. So there is a particularity mentioned with the help of this definite article the. Next, the is also used with a common name when it represents the whole class. Let us turn to the next page, page 42. The peacock. The peacock means the full category of peacock. The peacock is the national bird of India. Not only one peacock, but the full peacock category. With nouns which are names of unique things. Earth. In this entire universe, you will get only one planet called Earth. So Earth, sun, moon, sky, all these are unique things. So the is used before them. Before superlative degree, the tallest, the hottest, like this. Before the words like first, third, last, the first row, the third boy, like this. With the names of rivers, seas and oceans, the Brahmaputra, the Indus, the Indian Ocean, the Red Sea, the Himalayas with the mountain ranges also. With particularly some trains, ships, aeroplanes, the Shatabdi, the Rajdhani, the British Airways, the Indian Airlines. Holy books, the Quran, Upanishads, the Vedas, the Gita. Newspapers, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, the Telegraph. With historical monuments, the Red Fort, the Golconda Fort. With directions, with the east, towards the west. With the whole families, like the Guptas, means we refer to the full family of the Guptas. The Mehtas. With countries also, like the United Kingdom, the United States of America. Before an adjective when it represents a class, when I say the rich, I refer to the rich people category, not only one single rich family or one rich person, but I refer to the rich category or family. Next, before a noun to show a unit of measurement, the meter, the liter, the dozen. Before adjectives in the comparative degree, the older he grows, the wiser he becomes. So in this comparative degree, before adjectives, older and wiser, they are adjectives. Before this, the is used. And article the is also used with certain group of words like in the morning, to play the guitar, on the one hand, in the afternoon, like this. In my next page, page 43, we'll read about the repetition of the, where this word the is repeated. The singer, the lyricist. The singer, the lyricist means two different persons. The singer is one person, the lyricist is another person. So therefore the is used before both the noun. But in sentence B, the singer and lyricist means the same person who is the singer is also the lyricist. So when the is used before both the nouns, it shows that there are two different persons. And when the is used only before one noun, it shows that it is the same person who is the singer as well as the lyricist. Lyricist means the one who writes one who composes the song. Okay, composes means writes, put the words in the song. Then next very important thing, that omission of articles. Where will you omit? Where will you not use? Before names of substances and abstract nouns which are used in general sense, sugar, beauty, these are used in general sense. Before most proper nouns such as names of people, I don't say the Kaustav, the Ayan or the Indrani, it's not like that. Or even before the names of the countries or any other proper names, you cannot use the. Before names of meals, the dinner, the breakfast, we don't say it in this way. Before the languages, we don't use the. Before names of relations, the father, not like this. Generally we use father has gone to play golf, father has gone to the market. When a noun is used in general, like cotton, it is used in general sense. So there is no use of the article the. With plural nouns, when they denote a class, children. Here we denote the class of children, all children. With names of days, Monday, Friday, we don't use any the. And in notices or headlines also we don't use any the. Chief Minister meets delegates from China, not the Chief Minister. There are some exceptions. Just now you read that we do not use any the before any abstract noun, like the sugar we don't say. But see here in this sentence, where did you keep the sugar? I bought yesterday. The is used before sugar. Then the question is why the is used here. The is used here to refer to the sugar which he bought yesterday. That particular packet of sugar maybe which he bought yesterday. The beauty of Cinderella means the beauty only of Cinderella is referred here. Rajnikant is the Amitabh Bachchan. Proper nouns can be used with article the if we want to attach a special meaning to them. We want to say that Rajnikant is like the Amitabh Bachchan in South Indian cinema, in South Indian film industry. So there is a comparison made. So here the is used before the proper noun. But generally when we say Amitabh Bachchan is a popular actor in India, we don't say the Amitabh Bachchan. But when we compare between two people, then we use the before the proper noun. A or an is used when an adjective is used before breakfast. Like Jyoti had an early supper, so she is feeling hungry. In specific incidents, in specific cases, we are using this, but not in general. The is used when we specify. Specifically, particularly when we say something like, the dinner we had at your place was delicious. Like this. Article the is never used with this following to make use of from head to foot. These things you can read of your own. In the next video, I will send the rest explanation part of this chapter. Listen to it thoroughly, and I will send the pics of the pages. Read it from there. Thorough reading is must to understand the chapter properly.